Hi everyone, welcome to Gnan Cloud Garage. In this session, I'm going to talk about what is the minimum operating system support for HPE ProLiant Gen11 model. So as you are aware, previously we have a Gen 8, Gen 9, Gen 10 and Gen 10 Plus models. The recently HP released the new model which is HPE ProLiant Gen 11. Gen 11 is the latest model of servers. And within the Gen 11 servers, we have a different models like a ProLiant DL series, like a density line, and we also have a ML series servers. That means maximum expansion, and some are like a blade servers, BL blade servers, and SL means scalable line. There are multiple models within the HPE, but here I'm mainly focusing on the HPE ProLiant Gen 11 models. Okay, so ProLiant Gen 11 means it's more onto the DL series, and also within a density line servers also we have a 320, 380, 360 and so on. And same way, if the server model ends with the 320 means it is a Intel model, and if it is ends with 325 ends with the 5 means it is a AMD model. Even in the AMD models also we have 325, 365, 345, 385 Gen 11. Okay, so these all the models includes within the HPE ProLiant. Now let's talk about the what is the operating system, minimum operating system support for these latest models. So if you see here, the minimum latest models, it includes Microsoft. So within Microsoft Windows Server, minimally it supports for Windows Server 19, 2019, and it support for Windows Server 2022. And another one is Ubuntu. Even within Ubuntu flavor also, we have canonical Ubuntu 22.04 is the minimum guest OS support. When comes to the virtualization within a VMware, we have virtualization. It's starting supporting from 7.0 update 3. Suppose if we are trying to install a Windows 7 ESXi 7.0 update 1 or update 2, this model it won't support because minimum support start from update 3 edition. Okay, and even ESXi 8.0 it's supported, that is a minimum version of 8.0 series. And even if you want to install the latest models 8.0 update 1 update 2 and so on, any latest patches also after the 8.0, all this can be supported on HPE ProLiant Gen 11 models. When it comes to the Red Hat virtualization or Red Hat flavor, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 is the minimum OS support and later editions. And similarly, and 9 series also minimum edition is 9.0, and we can use for 9.1 and also with the latest patches. When comes to the SUSE Linux, even SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 15 Service Pack 4 is the minimum OS support, and SLE means same definition, SUSE Linux Enterprise. Micro editions also starting from 5.3 it supported Gen 11 model. And not only the most reputed models, even for the tier 2 Linux like Oracle Linux 9 and Citrix Zen Server hypervisor starting with 8.0, 8.1, 8.2 are the minimum guest OS, minimum operating system support. And in addition, even if you want to install a community enterprise Linuxes like CentOS, Rocky Linux, ClearOS, SAP Linux, and Wind River Linux, this and also it's supported for HP ProLiant Gen 11 models. Okay, hope you understand the what is the minimum operating system support for the latest model of HPE ProLiant Gen 11. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. If you're watching this video first time, please do view, like, share, and subscribe to the Gnan Cloud Garage channel. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate all your support. Bye for now.